Do you love photography or cameras? Well, we have something for you. Kodak photo printers are fantastic products that you should consider. Price per photo. Photo papers from other brands cost around $1 per photo, while Kodak photo printers product photos cost 30 cents per photo. 2-in-1 capability. With our cameras, you can take instant photos, and you can also connect them with smartphones to print. Did you close your eyes? No problem. The camera allows customers to delete any unwanted pictures and print only those they want. Great image quality. We provide great images with outstanding durability among photo products using 4-pass dye-sub technology. Borderless. All of our photos can be selected as bordered or borderless photos. We offer customers the option of customizing print designs using our app. So what are you waiting for? Check it out now. We will be waiting.